Hi guys, I'm really excited because I just received this ceiling fan for reviewing purposes. Let's take everything out of the box, okay? Each part comes really well protected in a bag, okay? As you can see, all the pieces that comes included are really protected, even with this kind of foam, which is excellent, okay? This ceiling fan, it's really great for wherever you want to place it. I think it's gonna do an amazing job, but it doesn't have a light, okay? It comes with all the pieces and screws that you need to install it, which is great, okay? This compartment comes the fan blades, okay? The fan blades also get really well protected with bags, and we get another down road if you want it to be a little bit more extended. As you can see, this is the regular one. As you can see, it's quite the difference. And these are the proper fan blades. They are these really nice and beautiful black plastic fan blades, which is nice. So let's go ahead and start installing it. I think, and it seems like a really easy fan to install. So let's go and install it, okay? Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the assembly process and the installation process, it's really easy. It doesn't take that much long, and I think it's nice because you can place it on a slope ceilings, and the ABS fan blades are really lightweight, so you can place it wherever you need it, indoors, outdoors, however you like it. I think it's really nice, and it has a really nice and powerful reversible DC motor, which is really silent, and I think that's a great function. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think it's really nice. As you could see, it was really easy to install it, and I like it because it has 6 different speeds that you can set it up however you like it and wherever you need it, which I think it's great. You can set it up to 8 hours of continuous use, and it will be turned off automatically with the timing functions that comes in the control remote, and we can change the direction of the spin to use it in winter and on summertime, which I think it's an excellent option. As you can see, I press it and it starts slowing down, and it will start spinning again, but in the other direction, which I think is great. I'm gonna set it up on the first speed. As you can see, it rotates to the opposite direction, okay? We can set it up also so that it doesn't make sound when we press some buttons. As you can see, now it doesn't make any sound, which is nice if you want to have it adjusted, turn on or off. And overall, I think it's really nice. As I've said, it was really easy to install. I like a lot the colors. I think they are really nice. All the pieces feels of a really nice quality, and overall I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.